Hello everyone, here we've got ASUS Zenfone 9 and let me show you how to change keyboard language. So at first let's open new message or for example note any area where you can input some text. So here we've got the current keyboard, and if you wish to change it, tap on settings icon, select languages, now tap on add keyboard and pick the one that you would like to apply. So let me do it one more time. Add keyword, and now just search for the one that you want to apply. As you can see, the list is pretty long, so you'll definitely find something suitable. So here we've got the end. Now just pick the language that you want to apply, tap on done, and then you can also remove unnecessary languages. Let's go back, and as you can see, keyboard language has been changed. So that would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.